Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to set a live wallpaper on a Samsung S23 Ultra. So, normally it seems it does not allow you to set a live wallpaper. I don't know if it never allowed this to be done or they changed it via an update. It's the same for some other Samsung phones. Sadly, if you go to set as wallpaper, you only have lock screen, call background and alarm background, but you don't have a wallpaper option. So that kind of sucks. I also want it as a wallpaper. For this, you basically download an app. It's that simple. But first, in that, I want to mention, in that app you have a lot of choices. They have their own wallpapers. You can browse the web collection, but also all of this, for example, I downloaded myself from YouTube Shorts. There are a lot of online downloaders for YouTube Shorts, and you just save them to your phone and you can set them as live wallpapers with that particular app. So let's get to the app. The app itself, video wallpaper, right here. Start it, and from the start they have a big collection themselves, but you can also, I don't remember where it is, go to yours. Hopefully this won't go directly into my personal files. You can see here local videos. So I will tap on that, but I don't want to show you my personal files, so I will get back to you when I'm in the correct folder directly. Okay, finally reached what I needed to. The browser on this is not that great, but if I set it to folder view, in case it wasn't clear how you set it to folder view from here, then I can more or less find them. So yes, this accepts only MP4. I think I have a few files which are not MP4, so I will be careful when I download next time what I actually set the file to be. And what do I want at this point? Which one of them? I think I'm going to go with this one. And now that we are here, we can set it. Scale to fit. You can check or uncheck that depending on your screen ratio. And you can see it here. Yay! So we have a live background wallpaper. And that's about it. But for me, I will change this one because it's clearly AI. Table has 5 legs. Anyway, it kind of looks like crap in this area and a bit here. So and it has an artifact right at the end. So I'm going to change it. But this is how you can set a live wallpaper on your Android phone if it doesn't allow it to be done by default. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos and see you in the next one. Bye.